Hello my dear friends and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are just going to learn how to create a custom functions using the lambda function in Excel. And the best part is you don't require any VBA in this. Let me first of all show you the examples that we are going to learn in this. These are the three examples. First example is regarding the Fahrenheit to Celsius. For the Fahrenheit to Celsius we required a formula like calculating Fahrenheit minus 32 into 5 by 9. Okay, so think like this: if you have a number of rows having the values, then you need to copy and paste all this formula in that. Instead of doing that, we can just write a function. For example, rp underscore Fahrenheit to Celsius, you can name anything as you like, and just passing the value of 98.8. This could be a cell value or a static value, and you get the result. You can see in the formula bar that I have this formula over here, and this is the custom formula. You will just see in a seconds that how easily you can design this. Okay, the second example is for the text cleanup. For this, for example, over here I have a text where initial space is there, space is in between, and to do that we can use the formula trim bracket clean and then cell address. Okay, so you have to repeatedly put the functions in this, and if it is a long number of columns or rows, you need to paste all this formula everywhere. Instead of doing every time, I have just created a lambda function where the name is rp underscore text clean and then passing the value, and you see the output. Okay, the third example is safe divide. That is, if the value is divided by a 0, then we need NA for this. Over here you can see I have used the if condition, where if the value is 0 then say NA, otherwise divide the value. Okay, so if I put a 2 over there, then I get the response of 5, and you can see the same output is coming over here with the lambda function. So without any wasting time, let me show you how easily you can create the lambda. First of all, the syntax. Lambda function needs a syntax like with the start it is a lambda, and then you can pass number of parameters. Okay, the parameter is nothing but the value that you pass in the function. Like for example, text b13 is a parameter value. Same way, safe divide, I have put a 2 parameter value, that is a b19 and c19. Okay, so you can pass any number of parameters in a lambda function, and the last section will be the calculation. Based on this parameter you can calculate the functionality. So let's see. Now let's see how easily you can create the lambda function. For this, you can go to the formula and name manager. Okay, I have already created 3 lambda functions for this, but we are going to create a new one for the testing. Let's click a new, and here we can give any name. Okay, for example, I used to say test1 for example. Okay, and here you have to put the formula and see. First of all, first thing would be the lambda, LAMBDA, and then after passing the parameters. For example, here if we want to calculate the Fahrenheit to Celsius, then Fahrenheit is the value that need to be passed on. Okay, so for this, for example, if I say F, I am just putting a parameter name. You can name anything, F as a parameter. Then the calculation. What is the calculation? F minus 32. F is nothing but the passing value that you are going to have. Okay, and then bracket into 5 by 9. This is the formula that we are using, the same formula that we have, and I am just clicking OK. Okay, so here we have the new function with the name test, and click close. Now if I say equal to test1, okay, and then passing the F value, for example 98.8, then the output should be 37. Okay, so in case if this is not the static value and you want to pass the cell address, then also it is done. Here nothing is there, that's why 98.8, then again the value is there. You can put any number. Okay, so this is the way you can create a custom function through lambda. Let's move further. Let's create another this, and here the formula is like trim clean and then b13 is nothing but the parameter. So how we are going to use that? Click name, new, let's name it clean text 2. Okay, and then here we are just going to put a formula equal to lambda bracket parameter value. For example, I say this time x, okay, x, and then the formula is trim, clean, and then x. What are the parameter you are passing should be over here, and click OK. Something I missed out. Yep, bracket. Okay, clean text to close. Now equal to clean text to, and then the cell value, and you can see the output. Okay, so this is how easy you can create a lambda function. Now let's move further for the example number 3. Here we have a parameter, more than one parameters. For example, if we have B19 and C19, that means 2 parameter values are there. For that, what we are going to say, let's name it save divide 2, and here equal to lambda bracket parameter 2 value, for example a comma b. Okay, this is the easiest one, and the last is going to be a calculation. So calculation is if b equal to 0, that is the second value is 0, then na, otherwise a divided by b. That's it. Close, equal to save divide this 5 comma 0 na, and 5 comma 10, it's 0.5, and that's it. This is the lambda function that you can use in your Excel daily work. Let me know in the comment if you have any question or query regarding the lambda function. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such kind of videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.